So I've got my red light therapy mask here. Now this was gifted to me so I could go ahead and show you all the features, and there are quite a few of these. So what I like about right away, if you ever done any research on some of these masks, they can be actually kind of hard material. You can see how easily I can fold this, so it easily conforms to your face. And it also has a couple of straps here. Now these are all adjustable, it's just Velcro. These are all Velcro here. And then when you put it around your head, you've got Velcro also. Now on the back side, the only thing that I had to put together to this were the straps and these little protectors. You just want to make sure you put these right. I've seen these put on the outside of this mask. On this side, that is incorrect. It needs to go on the inside, and that's because you've got these lights shining up, and this is going to keep the lights from getting into your eyes. It's going to almost kind of cup that. Now you can see here these little squares. These are actually your LEDs. There's multiple LEDs inside these, so you get a total of 352 LEDs. And then we have our controller here. To go ahead and turn it on, we're just going to long press it. Right now we've got some red lights. There are actually 7 different colors here. Each color is actually a different wavelength and provides different benefits, which can include collagen production, wrinkles, clear skin, things like that. This power button actually has dual functions. There's 3 different intensity levels. So when you tap it, you can see the lights actually get different intensity, different colors. The second button here is a timer. So you can adjust this anywhere from 10 to 30 minutes. And then at the bottom here, this is where we change the different colors of our light. Now, if you'll notice right up here at the top, as I press it each time, it's going to go ahead and advance. So those are all the different wavelengths of light based on the colors. So once it's on, it is comfortable. This is something I don't just have to sit down in a chair while it's on. I can move around the house, do my daily duties, do any work on a laptop without any problem whatsoever. And with this remote control, I can go ahead and just change these colors based on what I'm trying to achieve. Now it is comfortable, it's non-obtrusive, so I really like that it is simple to use, and it does come with a charging cord and a storage bag. Hope you found this review helpful.